Here you go.
I work in a neuroscience lab. We were interested in how the brain, not only how it breaks, how aging works, or how we can restore our memories, but also how we work in the first place. We want to know how the brain lets us see things, how it remembers things, how it understands things, and we do that currently by recording from the brains of rats. We use Python for every part of this, from controlling our devices, our little levers and our buttons using the serial package, to showing things on screen using PsychoPy, which is amazing for showing psychophysics stimulus, and even for virtual reality now using Python. Instead of putting little headsets on the rats' eyes, I'm building a CAVE VR system for the rats so that they can freely move around and we can warp a 3D environment around them. In order to do this, I need to connect to 3D motion tracking devices. I can do that with a built-in socket library. Control the devices that we have. Python is excellent for this, and the projector that we have even has a Python wrapper for controlling the devices. It's been great for building a 3D scanner for our rats arena. And even projecting 3D visual stimuli. I needed to make a 3D wrapper, now called RatCAVE, available everywhere. But there are lots of great 2D gaming libraries for Python. I've been using Piglet. Once all of them are combined, you end up getting something like this. This is me placing a rat into our environment, and he's looking left and right and trying to figure out whether he prefers to jump over a virtual cliff or onto a short side on the right. And if we give him just a second, he'll look over and decide that he prefers to jump over here. Working with these rats has been really amazing, and being able to build closed-loop stimuli has allowed us to ask all kinds of questions about how the brain really works. If you want to see it from the rat's perspective, this is projecting a 3D monkey head. You might recognize it from Blender into a little glass thing. When you're tracking the camera, it really looks like it's floating inside the arena. Python has been high performance. It's been really wonderful because there are so many high-speed libraries that we can call from. And because Python has been versatile, it's been a great single kind of platform for doing all of our experiments. Our labs really loved working with it. And here's a final video of it exploring a virtual wall from the perspective of the rat. Thank you.
Thank you, Nicholas.